my God, oh my God, oh my Lord God. Hi guys, Stephen out from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is the 7th of October 2023, and I did promise you I was going to make a video on the actual process of reinvesting all our account balance of XM binary. So let's get on with it. I've got $436.27 in the account balance, which is this baby here. Okay, this is the amount that has paid me since yesterday or the last time that we made a video. Then if we go back to a bit of history, give us a bit of history just to explain how all these monies are starting to flow. $410.80 was the last balance. Yes, that's correct. And $25 earning 46 cents has given us a new total, of course. If we have a look here, that's why we got this sum, $436. More importantly, what are we going to do with it? I mean, you can withdraw it and send it back to your wallet. But my encouragement is, because you only got a small balance, it'd be better off to grow this balance that you have. Now let's go back to our chart just to confirm our chart, because we are getting now closer to our goal. Hold on a sec. Our goal is somewhere, but I can show you this in this respect. This is my new goal, 608. I want to reach that as soon as I can from our current balance. And of course, what I really wanted to show you was the deposit or the refinancing process. Anyway, let's get on with it. Account balance, click on deposit, come down the bottom. Now click, don't use spend from processor, but click on spend from account balance. And once that's going to blue, here's this area that we were talking about. It didn't show up in my other video. Now click on that and copy that whole sum in this amount spent, 436.27. Now in the future, when your balance starts to get a bit high, say for example you got $4,000 here. Now let's go back to our charts just to give us that summary. 4,000, for example, just to give you an idea. Let's go through our chart. Hopefully it will show up in my chart here. Okay, here we go. Say you had $4,000 in there. Here we go here. Here's your income for the day. You can take that $442 and spend it and just reinvest that same amount, $4,000 or whatever the case may be. So you don't have to reinvest everything, especially, as I said, when you start to get into a much larger amount. If you have a look and you start to appreciate, if these are your current balance, for example, these are your daily income. So you can certainly take some of the income out and just reinvest the capital that's already there from previous day. So you can imagine then the balance that you have can really be accelerated. Well, at the moment, I'm only getting, as I said, 20 something dollars, I think. Hold on, before we come back here. Sorry, I'm getting lost here. I'm taking you all over the place. Sorry. Click on spend. Click on this. Make sure it's blue. Copy this down. Click spend. It's just confirming if you do want to still process your balance. And yes, process. This is processed for the next 24 hours. Once that is done, then you check with your balance. Oh, I forgot 27 cents, but never mind. That will go in next time. There's your new balance up here. It will show up. We go back to a deposit list or history, maybe history. This is what I wanted to show you earlier. Our earlier balance was $410. We had $25.46 new income, which adds up to $436. So tomorrow we'll be earning 6.2%, and it'll be added onto this number. So you can see the compound interest continues. These two figures are extra money that I'm just putting in, $21 to speed up the process. So you can appreciate. Then, for example, if this was $4,000, that'd be around about $250, of course. So you can take this out and just reinvest. If you had $4,000, that's what I'm saying. If you had $4,010, this will be $250. So you can take $250 and just reinvest that same amount, and you get the same amount again tomorrow, $250, if you had $4,000, of course. So that's the encouragement that I say, just reinvest the small capital that you have, or the small balance. As you can see, I've already got a small balance, And the reason being is I think I started with that sort of amount on September 11th last month. So this amount has accelerated to what it is today. I have added a little bit more money into it. It really sort of pushed it a bit faster, only because I'm trying to reach a goal. That's the next goal that I'm looking for in the next couple of days or so. But the real key pointer is I want to drive it to reach my first 1500. So it clicks off from my daily earning of 6.2 to 8.3%. According to this chart, if I stay as is and don't add too many and just rely on a daily income, it will take me 15 days to reach my 1500. But the ultimate, of course, is to reach 3000, which takes another 24 more days at current present rate. But if I add more money into this, my own money, then it will cut down the time that I need to reach this amount. Of course, I want to reach this amount, give me an earning of, say, $117, plus it kicks into 8.3%. And of course, once you reach up to, say, $3,000, then it kicks over to 12%. So you can rely certainly on 12% every day and enjoy that income. But as you can see on my graph here, the more money you have, the more income you're going to be enjoying. So in the future, 40 days later, if I had nearly $20,000 there, my daily income would be $2,142. So you can certainly appreciate allowing these systems to really, really take you up to bigger numbers. That's why I discourage taking any of these profits out every day, but reinvest it just like what I showed you through the process with this great app, XM. And XM is a brand that's starting to be developed into something pretty profound. And of course, I think to a certain degree, XM Binary is a fairly new project they have. I have been using one of XM's past apps, but this is trading using MT4 and MT5 platforms, a bit more complicated than their latest product. So get on with it if you haven't. But if you're watching my video, please do subscribe to my YouTube video. So anytime I find more of these, or even explain some of these apps that I have found to be quite productive, then I'll just make a video and you're going to get a ping on your site to say Steve has made another video. But anyway, this is how to reinvest your money. So 24 hours from now, I'm going to come back in here and whatever the new balance will be and go through the same process and go through what it's called reinvestment. Click on deposit. If it shows up here, click spend on the account balance. If it shows up here, the amount, then that's all you need to do. I've already got 27 cents here. It's not worth it. I'm just going to leave it there to kick in to the next balance when it's due. But anyway, this is Stephen Arthur from Arthur Fortune, creating fortune for the future. Look after yourself. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.